Welcome to this week's video blog by Mash Web Design on how to add a favicon to your website. So what exactly is a favicon? A favicon is an icon associated with a particular website, and it's typically displayed in the tab next to your title. So here's the favicon for Twitter and Google. So how do you create a favicon? Here's a basic test website which I've set up, and as you can see, the favicon doesn't display. So to personalize your own favicon, I would suggest that you use a program such as Photoshop to create it. So if you head over to Photoshop, click File, New. Now you want to set the pixels to 32 pixels by 32 and change the resolution to 72 dpi, which is for the web. So now we have the canvas in place. We want to choose a nice favicon for our website. Often this can be a part of the logo, like for Twitter, which is the Twitter bird, or you can use something more generic. So for our website, it's called books. So I would use, if I head over to a site like Font Awesome, they have a vast array of different icons available to you for this type of thing. So if I search for book, you can see there's an icon especially for book. If we head over to our Twitter, head over to our Photoshop document, let's change the color and bring the size down. So excellent, we have a favicon for our site. So next thing to do is to save the favicon as a Jpeg onto the desktop of your site. So for the time being, you can name it anything. We'll name it favicon.jpg. It is recommended that you convert the JPEG file into a .ico file. So to do this, there are many generators out online. All you need to do is search favicon generator. Favicon.co.uk is an excellent resource which you are able to use. Simply click choose file, choose your favicon which you've created, ensure that 32 by 32 is selected, and click generate icon. Now you can download the favicon here. So if we show this in Finder, so excellent. So you can see that our favicon is generated here. So now all we need to do is just pop this on the on your desktop. So the next thing we need to do is put the .ico version of the icon into your website's directory. So here we can see a basic web directory, and we also just want to change this to remove. There we go. Okay, so the icon is now in the directory and ready to load onto the website. So there's one thing left we need to do. We need to actually link it via our HTML to the icon itself. So to do this, in your website's head, you need to go ahead and add a link tag. Next, the link tag has 3 attributes. The first is the rel attribute, which will be shortcut icon. The second is the href attribute, which will be to the root of the favicon. So in this case, favicon.ico. And the last attribute we need to add is type, which is image / x - icon. Last but not least, we need to close the HTML tag. All we now need to do is simply save this page, head back over to our browser and refresh the page, and you should be able to see our favicon has been generated. Excellent, that concludes this video blog. Next week we'll be looking at how to add a Apple Touch icon into our site, and then the following week we'll be looking at how to add both of these to WordPress.